Hi, I'm Ashley the coach, and here's how you can brand your Instagram stories. Select a photo of your work and use the menu to select an additional photo from your camera roll. Here I've created a simple brand guide using Canva. This way, using the color dropper, you'll be able to pick up your exact brand colors and you won't have to guess. Here I'm just using periods to create interesting branded color dots. Using a Polaroid GIF, I've now created a totally branded story for my clients. Let's make some stories that pop. To create something like this, I've added my brand guide using the tip from video 1. Using the marker and eraser tools, I've now created some fun depth and an interesting story. Next, you can animate a still photo by adding thematic GIFs. Using the menu, I'm selecting some fizz and bubbles to bring this bottle to life. Now you've added some additional interest for your clients. Here are some helpful story extras you may not have heard about. AR filters are a great way to add interest without leaving the Instagram app. Here I'm selecting a filter called Mockup. This way I can create some more visual interest in my story by adding a video of nails I did earlier today. Next, I'm using the presentation by Lally in order to present my work, put myself on camera, and share how I create nail magic.